The 2021 Drones and Robotics Congress that I recently attended focused across the industry in a number of exciting areas. From my attendance at the Congress, I came away with 3 important takeaway points. The first I'll cover in this episode, looking at understanding the design implications of your drones or robotics selection. It's very important that you understand what a design means and how that will impact downstream. Just like purchasing a motor vehicle, your selection will impact how you get support, what training you might need, spares, supply, and maintenance. It's no different with drones or robotics, and understanding the design implications is an important part of that. In meeting with a large number of suppliers and vendors of drones and robotics at the Congress, it was interesting when I posed a series of questions to them about the design and durability and the ready access to key areas of support, such as training, maintenance, and spare supply. The design of the items sets in place all of these key factors. Your understanding of what equipment design means to your operations will go a long way to informing your choice of which drone or which robot is for your business. I look forward to joining you in the following episodes of this series.